Stop whenever you want. Stop, right? Pwede ko makita? Okay lang? Sige. So you stop on this card. If you said stop on a different time, we will have a different card now. Okay? Sige. Gusto ko kayong dalawa na lang. So the next card is the ace. Sige. Each of you will have one card. See, yeah, sir, you have the 7, you have the ace. Okay? Pero gusto ko personalize. I wanted to sign this one. Personalize. Sign 7 of clubs. Very big. Dito sir, sa baba. Lagyan mo. Sa taas din. Yan yung sa cheque mo. Ang bala. Tapos, dapat, hindi lang ikaw. Dito pa, para marami. Siya rin po. Siya rin. Hand it to him. Tapos, pirmahan mo naman yung ace. Dito. Malaki. Dito rin. Sa cheque mo yan. Tapos, pakilagay yung password ng ATM sila. Charot. Ganito gawin natin. I want this a personal magic kasi pagka hindi ko pinaganahan, sasabihin nyo, there's a I have a duplicate or just maraming cards, diba? Pero pag may signature mo, this is yours. Unique in the whole world. Pati yung forma kung saan mo pinirmahan, pati yung handwriting mo, I definitely cannot duplicate it. Pero this is a thin line between imagination and reality. So sasabihin mo sa akin kung this is real or an illusion. So I'm going to fold the card. Is this an illusion or am I really folding the card? Yes. Sure ka? O illusion lang ito? I'm going to fold it to the other side. Am I folding the card or this is just an illusion?
Folding.
Sure kayo?
Yeah.
Sure ba na naka-fold o illusion lang ito? Now, folded siya o illusion lang? Now, I want to tear the card. Am I really tearing the card o illusion lang ito? Illusion?
No.
Tearing o illusion? Para mas malaking illusion, mas malaking movement. Is this an illusion? Or talagang punit na siya?
Punit na.
Guys, if I can restore the card to normal, would that be amazing? If I can restore it, amazing yan?
Yeah.
If I can restore it this way, would that be amazing? More than amazing.
Yeah.
Pero, David Blaine yan, hindi kaya yun eh. Mahirap yan, di ba? I want the magic to happen in your hand. Can you open your hand? Close. I'm going to snap. Umiinit ba parang kape? Dapat umiinit, hindi.
Yeah.
Umiinit.
Konti. Yeah.
Something magical will happen. Umiinit siya.
Yeah. Konti.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Pag open natin,
Yeah.
if that is restored, would that be amazing?
Yes.
Check natin. Hindi pa rin siya restored eh. I'm very sorry, but pero mainit ah. Mainit siya. Pero try natin. If Actually, you can restore it the way it was. Restore it. Pero you know what's the amazing part? The more than amazing. Di ba yung isang card pinirmahan mo, sir? The other one pinirmahan mo? Because this is what I did. Restored siya, half of your cards to half of his card. You can check it. It's really restored. You can check. Really restored. Thank you guys. I leave one as a